Hey everyone, it's Daniel, Brother PBIRS. In this next video, we'll be setting up Power BI Reporting Services, or PBIRS, and I'll get started. So, under our CM01 server, click Start. We're going to type Report Server Configuration Manager. We're going to click Pin to start, and we'll click Open. Okay, we're going to click Connect, and we're going to click on Database. We're going to click Change Database. Create a new report server database. Next, we're going to test our connection. Test connection succeeded. Click OK. We're going to click Next. Next. Service credentials are good. Next. Next. Give that a few moments. And I'll come back when that's ready. And success all across. Click Finish. We're good there. Now we're going to go to our web service URL up here. Give that a few moments. We're going to use our own ports that we set up earlier, 8080 and 4443. Okay, so in the let's see here, we're good there. So the drop down, we're going to use our Power BI certificate. We'll type 8080 and 4443. Click Apply, and I'll come back when that is ready. And we're back. And now we're here at the Ruby required. Click OK. We're going to go to our web portal URL. Okay. We're going to verify that our CM01 8080 reports and our FQDN 4443 reports is there. This is our there's no SSL on there, SSH, HTTPS. Yep, we're good. Okay, so let's click Apply, and we'll come back when we see our reboot required. Okay, we're back. You may have seen some warnings. That's okay. Click All right. Okay. And now we're going to go to our execution account. Okay. We're going to specify an execution account. We're going to use our Power BI service account that we've set up. There we go. Let's copy our password. Control C and Control V. Click Apply. Give that a moment. We'll verify that the task completed successfully. There we go. We're good. Click Exit. Okay. Now what we're going to do is we're going to restart since it required a restart. So Power, Restart Guest, and we'll come back when we're ready to log on. See you in a few moments. Okay, here we go. Let's copy our password. Control Alt Insert. Click here. Up at the top, paste, and we're going to give ourselves a 90-second timeout like we normally do. So right click Start, Run. Should be there already from before. Click OK, and I'll see you in 88 seconds. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. There we go. Let's open up Edge from the taskbar and give that a few moments. We'll copy the URL here for our reports and paste that here. Press Enter. Give that a second. We'll refresh if necessary. There we go. And try that one more time. Usually, well, let's find out if our services are running. So our timeout might need a little bit longer, and that's okay. So let's see here. We're good. Okay, let's try that one more time. That's okay. Things happen. So, paste. There we go. Just had to wait a few more seconds. So we're going to use our username and our password. There we go. Click OK. And there we are. So you might want to change this. We'll do 120 seconds. How's that? 2 minutes. Okay. So we're good there. And we're going to verify Power PBI report server. Our ADM account here is at the top. Our settings cog, we're going to click that. Site settings. Okay. We're going to go to security on the left hand side. We're going to say add group or user. Okay. And we're going to get our SQL admins. We're going to make them system administrator and OK. And we're also going to do our CM admins. Place those as well. System admin. There we go. So we've got our CM admins and our SQL admins. Verify there. We're good. And now a new tab. Now this takes a little bit to load. So new tab. Just give that a few moments. It does take a little bit to load. So I'll be back when that is ready. Okay, and that takes a good 60 seconds to load, but it's there. So you can see the version has been updated to 122. So I'll change that and we'll just close Edge. And that's it for setting up our Power BI reporting services. Those two changes, I put the 120 seconds here and the version change at the end. Okay, and I'll upload this newer version and I shall see you in the next video.